This autumn-winter, we're still obsessed with graphic eyeliners. Our first model is gorgeous Ellen, who is a hopeless romantic. I created this bold, beautiful, playful eyeliner, but still feminine, with natural and glowy skin.
Lolita is our sophisticated, chic jet setter, so we've kept it simple but classy with soft, glowy skin, a delicate wing and elegant lashes to elongate the eye, but with a pop of colour on the lip to take her from the boardroom to brunch.
Then we have Mariana. She's an independent and confident boss babe who doesn't take no for an answer. To suit that persona, I've gone for bright eyeshadows with feathery lashes. She's not afraid of experimenting and can rock any color with confidence.